Today I thought I'd make a video to demonstrate the performance of my 1970s Sears Kenmore Model 1813 zigzag sewing machine. It seems to be enjoying a comeback, I think because it's pretty much like the Volkswagen of sewing machines. It just keeps going and going and going. You throw a little oil at it and belt replacement once in a while, and there's no reason you won't be sewing on this for another 40 years. I can't even tell you why I started buying new machines 15 years ago. They're usually in the repair shop, but it is what it is. Now I have 4 and I don't need 4, so I'm selling it. I'm showing you everything that it comes with. The cams are pretty much like new because I really never did use them. The buttonholer was certainly my favorite thing about this machine. I haven't made a good buttonhole since I stopped using it. The original manual, plenty of original bobbins, and pretty much the only tools I ever used. So I have it mostly set up, thread and bobbin, so that we don't have to take up even more time. And I'm going to set this down and give you a couple little demos. Now, turn it on. First we'll do a straight stitch. You can see it, but it's a nice stitch. I haven't used this machine in 15 years. When I pulled it out the other day to see if I even still had it, I did replace the needle and change the, do the oil drops where the manual tells you to, but that is it. This thing has just been silently waiting to be put to good use again. Now I'll do a zigzag, which is just simply one dial for the width. I'm gonna do a cam. I never used to use them, but I assume you just drop it in up here, put this dial on cam. I'm not really sure what else to do because I don't like reading instructions. So it did follow the pattern that was on the cam, which is like a little hill scallop thing. And you could tell that if I just messed with the width and the length, it would have created more specific of what I was trying to do. So we'll take that out. Take it off cam. And now I would like to show you the easiest buttonhole I've ever made. You just take this thing, you pick by what size your button is. This says 5/8, which used to be really common. I made all my little girls' clothes when they were growing up. It's the opposite today. It's cheaper to go to Target and buy them. And when I was sewing for my girls who are now in their 30s, it was a lot cheaper to buy pattern, buy fabric, sit at the dining table and sew. And I'm kind of sad that it's not like that anymore. Bead dog down. Let's see what happens. So it's supposed to be kind of zigzaggy. We're going to give it a little width. I am seriously tempted to keep this machine just for the buttonholes. As I recall, a few years ago I lost my zipper foot. That was the only, you know what, I bet you the reason I bought a machine 15 years ago to replace this was because I didn't have a zipper foot. Instead of contacting Sears or going on eBay to find one. Well, I really feel bad about that. So it does not have a zipper foot. But everything else it does have. Oops, sorry about my hand. I have no idea what that is. I never used it. I never understood what to do with a Q foot. This is a fabulous machine. Solid, strong. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks.